This was labeled to withstand that max 210 degrees Celsius, and I would say this is overstatement because I turned the oven to 100 degrees. And put the kettle in. And that wouldn't stand even this. In an oven with temperature of 100 degrees, this handle part turned like this. But I try to fix what I broke. It is as good as I get it. Not like new, but close. Now this is not as perfect as new, but as close as I can get it. You can still see that something is different. But for the record, even though label says 210 degrees max, this doesn't take that much. Maybe 100 max.